time did you wake up this morning, John?
5 o'clock. Because I'm not good, it took me 10 minutes to get ready. And I was in the car by 5:12.
All for this.
We're on the side of the road right now, somewhere. I think in Wendell, a little town called Wendell. We're just kind of cruising around waiting for our model before we head to Box Canyon. And right now we are hooking up the GoPro to the side of the car, but we didn't want to lose it. So Chad found a pretty ingenious way to kind of tie it down.
I don't know about ingenious, but we did find some fishing line that we had on the fishing reel. And what I'm realizing right now though is if it does actually come off the car, then it will just swing into the tire and bounce off the tire as it goes around.
What are you down here riding the trail for?
Idaho tourism.
Sweet. So you're an Idaho tourist?
Yes.
Showing the tourists where they want to go, where they need to be, what they want to see?
All this green stuff, all this, you can see it. That is poison ivy. All the way through there. Okay, here we are.
Visit Idaho, shoot here in Box Canyon. And I've traded my tripod for a lovely 4-year-old girl named Kaya. This is how we treat our models, just so you know. Visit Idaho. You guys come and work with us. We give you the special treatment, okay? Hey, get her some water now, would you?
Kaya, are you having a good time up there? See, yes. That was a convincing yes. Wait. This is the hike right here. We're just, you know, clawing our ways through this jungle.
Oh, that's cold. No.
So here we are, John, Chad for visitidaho.org. John just went into the pool of water here and said it's cold. Did you say it's cold?
It's cold.
All right, so now I'm gonna go in and you can see if it's cold or not by my facial expression. Okay, here I go.